All right, guys, here we go. It's orange. It has a U shape to it, and it lights up.
Oh boy.
What is it?
That.
Pretty light.
I like
I
that.
think I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, you guys don't know this about me, but I love to swim in the ocean.
Oh boy.
Really?
That's
I
the
think of
best.
you for like a kiddie pool kind of guy.
Does this look like a kiddie pool kind of size?
Oh, you're right about that.
You can't fit
So
in
I
a
go
kiddie
down to
pool.
the ocean at night because I'm too busy during the day. I just can't get there.
Yeah.
Put on my fancy Speedo glasses.
Oh, those are nice. Yeah.
What do you
look
think?
good.
Welding at the beach?
No, swimming. And this lights the way. So I just put this on.
Oh, good luck.
Yeah.
Real
Great
good
luck.
There you go. There we go.
Dog paddle.
So I don't hit the boats. I don't hit buoys. I don't look for sharks. I scare them
How many
away.
times have you been arrested?
Never.
Give me that thing. Not at all. No, boys, this is something my father introduced me to. My father was a smart guy.
He was.
Still is.
Still is. That's right. He's alive, isn't he? Yeah, that's right. Sorry.
When I was young, my dad always said, "Kevin, keep an eye on your money." Right?
You do.
Good advice.
Right?
Yeah,
And
you do.
I said, Dad, I can't. It's in my pocket and it's dark. So this is a lighted money clip that I actually developed, and it allows me to make sure that I always know where the stash is.
And the bad guys know too. The pickpockets do.
Hello, money. Still with me?
Give me that.
Making any interest in there? Or
No
what?
more excuses when I see that light on.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
All right. We all have the Santa Claus, the inflatable Santa Claus, and the Easter bunnies, right? On the
We do?
We all, right? We do.
Very, very expensive. We never had any.
Well,
No.
You know, they have to be plugged in. And if you don't plug it in before nightfall, you can't find the outlet. Well, this is the greatest little device.
That's-
So you go like this, you plug in your Santa, you plug in your little Easter bunny.
And how's that work?
Well, this is just a demo.
You're one of those guys, you put it up in like September, don't you?
And it stays up till June.
Nice.
That's not what it is at all.
What is it?
None of you guys are right. Have you ever painted at all?
No. Yeah.
Not a bit.
You know, lots of times you paint in the corner or along the sash, and it's very hard to cut in that edge.
I've painted myself into a corner more than once.
Too bad you get out. So you can put this on, turn the light on, and now you can follow that edge in dark spots and cut on that
No
corner.
excuses for
You're
it.
serious. That's what it really
Oh,
is.
yeah.
Cool.
Fantastic little tool.